In this video, I'm going to show you how to use custom stock in EasyCAM's milling packages. I'm going to use Alibre and create a 2D sketch using the XY plane. I'll use a line, and it's not going to be pretty, it's just an example. Okay, something like that. Then we'll deactivate our sketch. Go to extrude. I'm going to type in a -1 inch. Reason it's negative, I want my coordinate system on the top of the part. Then we're going to go to File, Export. We're going to export an STL file. This will give me a closed body, which is required for custom stock in EasyCAM. Now I'll open EasyCAM, go to File, Open, select our STL file. Now I'm going to rename it, go to Edit, Rename, using Surfaces, and select our solid body. And this is going to be called Stock SRF. That's required for custom stock in EasyCAM. Now we'll go back to Alibre. I'm just going to delete the extrusion. Go back in, activate our 2D sketch. I'm using that so I can get an idea, stay within the boundaries of my part. So we'll use a circle, center, and radius. Maybe add it like a keyway. Again, this is just something crude. We're going to trim. And I'll show you how to just transfer this into another Alibre document. Right click on the selected entities. Let's get that back. Right click, copy, open the next Alibre document, activate our sketch, sketch plane, right click and paste. Okay, then we're going to deactivate the sketch, extrude. Let's go with our -1 inch. Now this can be brought into EasyCAM directly. We don't have to save it as an STL or anything like that. And we'll use transfer the Alibre model. Now if we just hide our stock, get it back up there again. Now we'll create a work step. I'm going to use a new pocket. And a tool, I'm going to use just what's selected here, nothing too fussy. Go to Advanced in a pocket. I'm just going to choose face milling. Select our part. Then we go to Work Step. Select Stock Surface. Verify our toolpath. Now for custom stock, we're going to go to Post, Stock Setup, change from a rectangular block to custom stock, and the fact that this was called Stock SRF in simulation, EasyCAM, let's slow that down, EasyCAM will use our custom stock. So we'll go to Stock Setup, maybe slow this down a little bit, preview again. And we'll speed it up. 0 through 9 on the keyboard. 0 pauses the simulation step by step. You hit Enter key to advance the tool. 9 would be the fastest simulation we have to offer. Okay, and that's how you would use custom stock in our milling packages.